Hello guys, and welcome back to Kaspa Silver YouTube channel. It's been a good weekend, guys, and it's a brand new week. I'm happy to be back and start dishing out videos. If you guys are new around here, please consider liking this video and also subscribing to the channel. We are putting a video out every single day except for Sunday this month. So I hope you guys are enjoying all this content, and as promised, I did do a giveaway for 500 Kaspa in our last video, which was, I believe, this one right here. Let's go ahead and check it out. And we're going to go with Rael Kaz over here. You won the 500 Kaspa. And all you got to do is send me your address. I'm going to reply to you at the end of this video. Anyways, so today's video, we're going to be talking about what happened with Rust. We're going to be talking about the price of Kaspa and the price of Bitcoin, the altcoins, just everything going on in the market. Just a little update today. So currently Kaspa is sitting at the 2.6 area. We experienced a dump and we're experiencing more dumping of Kaspa. Now, I know the question probably is, what happened to Rust? Why didn't it pump? Well, if you were watching my channel, you would have heard me say clearly that I do not believe Rust was going to make Kaspa pump. Guys, there was no reason for it to pump. Rust is literally an alpha development phase. Like it's not official yet. It's not fully out. This is just testing phase. So there was no reason for this to pump. My predictions was we're going to try to hold the $500 million market cap. And as you can see, we fell below it. And obviously, whatever I'm predicting on here is not bound to happen for sure. Interestingly enough, 95% increase on the volume. Very, very interesting there. Volume's sitting at that 33 million again. So that's pretty good. I really think there's a lot of buying pressure and selling pressure at the same time. We're kind of battling for that 2.6, 2.5 area now. But again, this market cap, I believe we're going to try to keep holding the 500 million, but we could drop below. We could drop lower. If I look at the 1 month chart over here, we could start dropping all the way over towards this area here, the 2.2, 2.3 area, which would seem really a really good spot to sit because we did consolidate here for a little bit. So I think that this is a possible area to drop to. Now, next I want to show you guys is the Bitcoin chart, because this is another reason why Kaspa basically is falling too. Everything else is falling. If Bitcoin's falling, everything else typically is going to fall at the same time. And so this is what's happening today. Bitcoin did break out of the 30K again, but we did good. We closed a lot of good candles above 30K. And let me see on the weekly chart. What did we close? Let's see here. We closed this on 30K. Yeah, we closed this weekly chart candle at 30K. That's awesome. Really, really awesome here. So not much to worry about. I'm not worried about anything. I still think we're going to hit this 3,200 area this month. Let's go into Kaspa and see what's going on here. It looks like we're currently buying it up really quickly. I like to show Kaspa on the CoinEx chart because this is where I buy Kaspa on CoinEx. And so I like to look at it here because this is basically the prices that I get on CoinEx. So we had this huge candle, huge well sold. And we dropped all the way to 2.6 here. And then we had this new candle form and we dropped all the way to 2.56. And now it looks like it's being bought up pretty well right now. Again, I'm not worried. This is a long-term play, guys. There's so many people that are so short-sighted in this market. And it's like, we're not even in a bull run. First off, we're not even in a bull run yet, like in a confirmed bull run. I think it started already, but expect 50 to 70% drops within the bull run, because that's happens in Bitcoin's history multiple times before. Also, looking at this here, the altcoin season I think is gonna start, because interestingly enough, even though we preach against Ethereum here, if we look at Ethereum, guys, look at this. Ethereum is catching up to Bitcoin now. Bitcoin dropped, but Ethereum did not drop as much. And so that's very, very significant here, because as I said before in my previous video, talking about Ethereum, I mentioned that I believe Ethereum is eventually going to outperform Bitcoin like it always does because it's an altcoin. Altcoins outperform Bitcoin for the most part. During the accumulation phase, Bitcoin is the one on top and it's the one leading the pack. But eventually, the dominance of Bitcoin is going to decrease. And as you can see, it's been decreased 0.45%. Ethereum is going to gain more dominance. And then I believe the altcoin season should be kicking off pretty soon. But who knows? I think the best strategy is to dollar cost average in. And as I've always said, I buy every single Monday. Now, I need to follow my own advice because if I just wait every Monday, I would be able to catch these dips because typically on Mondays are dips in the market. I don't know why. It's just something I've noticed. Mainly Mondays, there's a dip in the market. So dollar cost average in, buy once every week on Monday or twice every week on Monday and Friday, or once every 2 weeks or once every month. Find a strategy that works for you if you want to invest in this market. But of course, remember, this is not professional financial advice. By no means am I know what I'm doing around here. This is just my opinions and my thoughts. So let's get into Rust. Rust is live. It finally dropped. It was delayed on Sunday. It did get delayed, but then it got dropped early morning Sunday. It got delayed on Friday and got dropped early morning on Sunday. So it's live now, and it's just testing now. It's really not that much big of a deal. I don't, it wasn't supposed to pump Kaspa, and I'm gonna keep it real with you guys. I'm not here calling Kaspa to $1 every single day. Is $1 realistic? Totally. I have a whole video explaining why $1 Kaspa is realistic. And I asked the question, is it realistic? Because people want to say it. And it's like, it is realistic, but is it going to happen tomorrow? No. It's not going to happen overnight, guys. This is a long-term play. And again, nothing's guaranteed in this. This is still new technology. We're dependent on the developers doing their part as well. So this is going to take time. Don't expect things to happen overnight. You're not going to get rich quick. Just think long-term mindset. I want to show you guys this article because this article is really, really cool. It's explaining, exploring the unique features of the Kaspa network. And I've been seeing, if you watch Coin Market Cap comments, I recommend you don't because it's just super, super toxic. I lose brain cells looking at the comments sometimes because people on there are just like, I don't know if they have a life because they just tune in every day just to say something negative, and it's kind of funny. But I think today someone said that they were leaving because they said Kaspa has no tech. It's all just pure hype and speculation. There's just nothing there. And I'm like, did you read this article? There's literally 21 reasons here that Kaspa is a good investment. Number one, the best reason in my case is decentralization. Unlike some projects that claim decentralization but still have a central team, Kaspa is genuinely the decentralized network with no central authority. And that's proven. And if you watch my last video about talking about the origins of Kaspa, asking that question, Kaspa a scam, I covered it all there. Why we're decentralized and why we're different. Scalability. Combining speed and decentralization, Kaspa has the potential to scale as needed while maintaining top-notch security, efficiency, solving the blockchain trilemma, block DAG technology, near instant confirmation time, speed, community-driven, expert developers, fair launch. And I'm going to make a video about fair launch because Jonathan has a really good article explaining this fair launch concept. And I think I've even addressed fair launch kind of incorrectly after reading his article and explaining how fair launch is really never fair launch. And he makes a quote in there and says, people who are born in 2030, it's not fair to get into Bitcoin at that time. If you're born in 2030, you weren't able to buy Bitcoin when it first started, so that's not fair. So a fair launch is a word used incorrectly. And, Satoshi was the one that created Bitcoin and was able to mine these Bitcoins first right away because he was the one that created it. So is it really that fair? I'm going to be making a video about that. But organic marketing, real world currency potential. This is a huge one here because most crypto, it's called cryptocurrency, and it's most cryptos are not even doing the currency part at all. It's just becoming a store to buy drooling monkeys, I guess. I don't know. Profitable GPU mining, wallet distribution, easy to use wallets, impressive price performance, room for growth, upcoming improvements, industry recognition, transparency. This is a huge one. Tons of transparency on Kaspa's part. Really, really love that. And then the last one, focused vision. You guys should go ahead and take a look at this article. It's on CoinMarketCap. And it's a really good article, explains basically what they're doing. So you that don't believe that anything's really going on here you go. This is all the info right here, explaining what Kaspa is doing. And also, I have tons of videos already put out now explaining Kaspa to the general person, the newcomers, because I'm a newcomer. I've only been here in Kaspa for about, I think, 3 weeks now. And it's been fun learning everything about Kaspa. And I decided I was going to make a YouTube channel because I noticed this was lacking in the YouTube space. Someone genuinely just talking about Kaspa only and trying to do it every single day for you guys. And so, yeah, with all that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just a little update about Kaspa and what's going on. Hope you guys have a great week this week. Please remember to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.